Building a Shopify store sounds simple until you actually start doing it. You sign up for Shopify and then you realize you need a theme. And then you start installing apps for things like upsells, trust badges, sticky add to cart buttons, product recommendations. And before long, you have 10 apps installed that all really just create a mess and slow your website down so much. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build your own brand with Shopify and the Debutify theme. Debutify theme. This theme is designed to include many e-commerce tools all directly inside the theme. Debutify is also soon going to be launching an AI store builder all within the Debutify theme. That means all you have to do is enter a prompt and Debutify builds a custom store all done for you with this AI builder. It's like the go-to theme pick when designing your Shopify website if you plan on having a e-commerce focused brand. So let's walk through the process step by step. Debutify is free to start using and now offers a lifetime plan. Before you install Debutify, you need to have Shopify set up, and you can start on Shopify and grab your first 3 months for just $1 each. Step 1, you want to install the theme. Inside your Shopify dashboard, you're going to go to Online Store, Themes, Upload Theme. Once you upload the Debutify theme file, you'll see it appear in your theme library. You want to click Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Step 2, you're going to build your homepage. This is my favorite part. Inside the editor, you can customize sections like hero banners, product collections, featured products, and even testimonials. This is where you design the layout your customers see first when visiting your store. Step 3, you're going to customize your product pages. Okay, so now we're going to look at the product page layout. Debutify includes sections optimized for e-commerce, including large product images, clear add to cart buttons, trust signals, and product descriptions. Again, it is like the go-to theme for running an e-commerce brand within a Shopify website. These elements that Debutify offers, essentially, they're going to help your shoppers quickly understand the product. Step 4 is about enabling your add-ons. So next, you want to open the Debutify dashboard, and inside the add-on section, you'll see several optional tools you can activate, like sticky add to cart buttons, cart upsells, product recommendations, and trust badges. These features can be enabled with essentially just clicking a button. You just toggle them on. If you're building your Shopify store with Debutify, you're already setting yourself up with a conversion-focused foundation. Pair it with PredictAmail's abandoned cart recovery, and you can turn lost visitors into customers automatically without adding extra complexity to your store. So what really is the advantage of building your store this way? There are actually 3 main benefits. First, simplicity. Many e-commerce features are built directly into the theme instead of requiring separate apps, saving you a bunch of time and the possibility of a headache later on when you have a slow website because you just have too much stuff installed. A faster setup. Instead of researching dozens of plugins, you can activate tools directly in one dashboard thanks to the Debutify theme. And lastly, you're creating a brand website with conversion-focused design. The layout and add-ons are designed to encourage shoppers to complete their purchases. And that's why many Shopify sellers choose themes that are geared towards e-commerce, like Debutify is. If you want to try building a store with this theme, Debutify, I've included a link in the description where you can check it out and explore the theme inside of your own Shopify dashboard. If you want to try building up your brand with Shopify utilizing the Debutify theme, I have a special link in the description so you can try it out for yourself within your own Shopify dashboard. If this was helpful for you, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I can't wait to see what your Shopify website looks like. See you later, Rebel.